Hello guys, welcome to my Admin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix this call is now being recorded on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to disable this call is now being recorded when you dial to someone on your Android, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. Or I will show you how to turn off this recording message. First of all, you need to download one application. Just you need to open your Play Store. Here you need to search TTSLEX. You need to download this application. I had already downloaded. Just try to open this one. In this you can see preferred engine. Just tap on this setting logo. In this you can see here preferred engine. Just tap on this preferred engine. Here by default it is selected as speech services by Google. If it is selected as this, you need to select this TTSLEX. Just tap on OK. Then go back. You need to come to your dialer. Just long press your dialer. Just tap on the app info. In this you can see your storage and cache. Just tap on this. Once you tap on the clear cache, after that you need to tap on the clear storage. Just tap on delete. Guys, one thing I want to say, after clearing the storage, your dialed history will not be deleted. Then go back. That's it guys. So in this way you can turn off this call is now being recorded on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.